PAL cohorts are fast-paced, accelerated classes that require a lot of time and focus. Let's say, for example, that you need to take Math 75 and then Math 140. Regular sections of these courses would each take 16 weeks, a full semester. However, if you take the Math 75-140 PAL cohort, you will complete both courses in one 16-week term. Here's how it works. You would register for this PAL cohort, Math 75 and Math 140. For the first 8 weeks, students in this cohort would complete Math 75, followed by the Math 140 class in the second 8 weeks of the semester. The classes are taught back-to-back with the same students and the same professor, so it will feel like one class. This means you can form study groups at the beginning of the semester, and you will be able to study with these groups throughout both courses. You can establish a better working relationship with your instructor, who is there to help you with both courses, not just one. PAL cohorts also promote group work because of the close relationship among those involved. Now, if you are the type of student who likes to go to class and sit in the back corner hoping not to get noticed, PAL might not be right for you. It is important to know the expected time commitment to do well in PAL cohort so you can decide if PAL is right for you. As an example, we can use the Math 60 and Math 70 PAL cohort. Individually, each class, Math 60 and Math 70, is 5 units and would normally meet 5 hours a week on campus. Because both of these classes are compressed into a single 16-week semester, you would be meeting on campus roughly 10 hours per week and putting 10 units on your class schedule. Generally, for students to be successful in any course, it is suggested that they consider 2 to 3 hours of study time for each hour spent in class. This means you would need another 20 to 30 hours per week studying and doing homework outside of class. That is at least 30 to 40 hours a week of your time dedicated solely to PAL. Now, this can certainly work for a full-time student, but can be a challenging workload if the student has additional responsibilities. So even though PAL is a great program with opportunities for a learning community with increased success rates, it's not for everyone. You really need to be sure you can dedicate the time required to be a successful PAL student. If you do have the time and you're ready to make a serious semester-long commitment to PAL, continue the orientation and learn more about the logistics and registration steps.